Only smells funny after a day. Doesn't taste bad though. Oh yes. Yes. All right, I'm gonna put the ingredients back in the fridge. Have a sip of coffee. Bah. Be right back. Open up the chats. Ooh. Hi. Chat. Oh my god, OBS dies when I move the window. That's funny. 8 viewers for Mayo, Nase, samwich. Like, what are you doing over there? Oh, I gotta move OBS. I got. Alright, hold on. I need a microphone closer. I got sourdough bread, mayonnaise, creamy Havarti cheese, and prosciutto salami. Highlighted message. Cheese. That is correct. Oh, I have that light on. I'm looking at the table like, why is there a shadow there? Alright. Can I get like a work angle? Oh, fantastic. All I have is leftover pizza. Sounds like you need to do some grocery shopping. Huh. So, today what I'm going to be doing is... This view is so funny. this? Yeah. I could just put the camera on the other side. I don't know. I don't know. I was just thought I'd try it because the camera was sitting out there, and I was like, well, what if I did something with that for fun? Wow. It makes a huge difference when I look at the camera when I talk. Coffee. Okay. So what I want to do is rewrite the modules that I previously created, but also make new ones. I like how you can see my light go off whenever I talk. Does it go off when I eat the sandwich? Mm-hmm. Don't need run replication. You can delete that. Is there something on the server for run replication? No. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, I was just trying to like get it started, but I don't need it. All right, well, that's basically the start of the stream. I think you get it. Oh wait, can I show you what I'm doing? Hold on. No. Oh, yes. All right. I'm gonna put this here. And you'll be able to watch me set up the camera. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, and now a feature presentation. The camera goes right here. Yes, sir. Why is there always hair on my table? It's because of me. Okay, actually, I think I need to fix this a little bit. Yeah, okay. I can move this over here. Faff, yes, sir. This is just a spaghetti function to make things work for now. Basically, Playback manager. So maybe instead of polling, Okay, well, get simulation playback is really easy to pull, so maybe I should just pull it regardless. Subscribe for 6 months. Wow. I've only been a Twitch affiliate for like 6 months. You're here the whole time supporting me. Oh. You gotta like send me messages with what emotes you want, cause like I think I have more emote slots. All right, so the function is actually set simulation playback player simulation player timers simulation timelines. I'm gonna go like this, bam, wazoo, and now it's no longer a FAF function. All right, so simulation control, instead of FAF function, we use the playback manager set simulation playback. I don't know, whatever. Equals playback manager dot playback. And then we go like set simulation playback local player and then this dot timers and dot timelines, and now it's like slightly less spaghetti looking, but it's pretty much the same. Speed coding, I love it when I know exactly what I'm doing and I'm like just writing it out. So there's a problem here. You see in the dev game, or maybe you don't see, but like in the dev game right now with these code updates, the HUD doesn't work because the HUD uses the spectate changing to make a little value that it can pull for thingy things. But sometimes if the HUD is running before the map changes, not sometimes, but like that's what happens. The map changes after the HUD runs. So either I need some sort of wacky like event thing that's like simulation playback changed, which is a real thing that will probably be good. But I mean, polling would work. It's a simple function. It's not like it's gonna cause issues. HUD. Okay, where's the HUD? Right here. HUD. So this is the problem. Right here. So I write a value that pulls the simulation playback object based on the current player that you're spectating. But if that's you, which it is when the HUD like initializes, then you don't have this playback object until you've loaded the map, which isn't immediate. So either I need to get rid of this local variable and simply pull it every time, which would be the easy way out. It'd be the easy solution. Or what if I have a thing in the, like a spectate module, where instead of having a local variable, I reference a spectate module. That seems better to me. I like that idea better. I could even have it like, oh, the cheese, no, the cheese. Do you even comment in your code? How are you not lost? Well, this is, I name things so that they make sense, right? This is the bot box. It's the bottom box in the HUD panel. This is the bottom box fill. Like it's, you know how the HUD fills up when as you like progress through your run. Like this is the fill. I don't know. It just makes sense, right? I just use good names. One million module scripts. And it really seems that way, doesn't it? I think I'm going to turn off those lights. Well, I'll just leave it on. It doesn't matter. Okay. So, right now, in the spectate script, I wonder if I just redo spectating, like, right now, spectating is server side, but it like really does not need to be. I don't want to rewrite it because it's like extra work. All right. So I'll just leave it server side right now. It should be client side, but I will just leave it for later because it works fine, right? So I'll just make the HUD work by polling, and I'll ignore all issues. All right, so SP is no longer a value. SP. So now we can do something else. We can, oh, I guess I can go like this, like local SP equals get simulation playback player. That's it. That's the entire fix to this code, is to poll every time instead of using a local variable. And it's just a function call and a table access. Like it's not gonna cause any issues. Delete. That's it. That fixes the HUD. Okay. I'm gonna look for more SP. Okay. Gauges. Yeah. Okay, so same thing here, where we've got this SP value. And I should really just be polling it because that's how the old system worked. If gauge.visible. Shut up. No one cares about gauge.visible. All we care about is if there is a simulation playback object. If SP then. Do I really tab all this code? Nah. Oh, well, it's my normal coding style, so I think I'll do it. Let's tab all this code out. Hard code me cheats. I already did. Basically, half the tools for the new game are literally like cheat API. Yeah. All right. Next, find result. You're like, if you go try to cheat, you'll have a really nice time. Show keys, same thing. What do you mean getting out? Oh, I see. Okay. Did I do that for the gauges? I don't think it. SP. Oh, I did apparently. SP. Okay. Am I on insert mode? Don't tell me. Apparently I was. Okay. Local SP equals. Wait, where's the thing? There it is. Get out of here. We don't use it. Local SP equals, and all the problems are solved. That's it. Okay. Now that's fixed. I can do documents game make dev. And then the HUD, I guess the spectating doesn't work, but the gauges probably work now. Let's go see. Make my world go round. So what I want to make today is replication, ideally, but it's a big job. So I might just like think about it and then do it Tuesday. Where's the... Okay, right. Okay. You got it? Hey! And the speed also works on the HUD. And then if I spectate, nothing happens. Incredible. The entire system is missing. There is no such thing as replication data in this game right now. You will not see other bee-hoppers scurrying around. Chat actually works with my keyboard language. Do you remember a time when it didn't? For whatever reason, the Roblox API that I was using did not work with non-English keyboards. Like, I shouldn't have to think about that, right? It should just work. Current chat is bugging. What, my chat or Roblox chat? Roblox chat? No way, Roblox. That's hilarious. So that means that they stopped using text boxes, which have all sorts of benefits over the like input API, where you like hook what keys are being pressed. If you just hook which keys are being pressed, the whatever module they made for that, it just doesn't work. But if you just use a text box, everything works perfectly. So that's funny. So that probably means that Roblox switched from text boxes to user input service, or whatever their new thing is. They're probably making another new thing. Well, that was easy. Making the HUD work and stuff. I don't know why I was making such a big deal about it. Like, I should have a little module guy that just like supplies those variables. Like it should be called like current player. You know what? It's not that hard to have like a current, like a view player module. It's not that hard. Do I put it into view? No, I don't think so. Okay, let's take a look at the code again. Okay, so wait, what if I full screen Roblox? Does it like prevent? Yeah, it still prevents focus when it's full screen. Stop recording, doof. Dinklehead. Wait, is it? Oh my god. Roblox! You have 24 hours to finish the update. I kind of broke everything, so yeah, that's not gonna happen. Okay. Okay. New module called never mind, it can stay like this. It's not that hard anyways. I'll just do it later. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna work on something else. Alright. Fantastic. I mean, that stuff work. Ugh. Simulation replication. Oh, look. I already have it. Oh, I could make the camera work. Could do. Yes, I could do this. I was also thinking about having a personal camera for each simulation playback. Wait, this is an entire class? That's awesome. I did that yesterday, or the last time I was like a cool person. I'm a little bit dumb. Just want to let you know. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Whoops. Just a tiny bit stupid. Sandwich. So this extrapolation code should look gorgeous for like 100 milliseconds of packet loss or something. You'll just like not it'll you might notice something, but like it's really nice. It basically follows whatever curve that you're already following. But above that, that's not what you're doing, and you'll like fall through the floor every time. So it's kind of hilarious. Oh, I should. Yeah. Your love makes what? Wait a second. Should I just like make a because this is the same code. It's just multiplied by s. So I should just call this function. Whatever. No one cares. Okay. Yeah. Stop looking at this. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to, like, imagine a camera. This is simulation playback. There's no. Okay. What about the run events? Okay, so that's handled in the run events module script, right? Run events. So down here, it's like, wow, when it happens, do it. So I can do the same thing. By using what's the module called? Real-time timer system. Real-time timer system. Real-time indexer equals real-time timer system dot real-time indexer. So this is a timer tracker indexer. And then basically what I do is go like real-time indexer, set hook, run event, function, function. Does it just throw? I think it just goes tracker and event. I think that. No. I think it just is those values. Oh, I need music. Where's my music? I gotta play like a couple like little tiny songs and then. Actually, would that kill my. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Disco. Who made this song? Oh, actually, I think it's on the Dead Beef. It's down here. All right. Ooh, ouchie, owie. Play through music. Sad. Okay. Hell of and it didn't work. Hell of That's really nice how I just started again and it works. Alright, it's right here and it goes to music. That was interesting. Okay. Yeah, this is a song I wanted to hear. Okay, so there's no such thing as player here. How do I know whose event this is? All I have is the tracker. Maybe I can do it from. Maybe I can go like timer equals tracker.timeline.timer, and I can do like get player from timer or something like that. And where would that be? That would be in timer replication? No, that'd be in like replication overall. So it's right here. I just call the run event functions. All right. All right, so this is basically the same thing down here. Oh, whoops, I modified the code instead of making new code. I'm just gonna like group it together. Can I? Damn. Event 1, and this is event 2. Wait a second. Okay, what would the? No, they're like in line, right? So I can just literally go like this, actually. Ah. Okay. So this code is completely fine, except it depends on this function that doesn't exist. Honestly, this is kind of bad code. I should probably just not have it. Okay, player. What? Is this error? Did it error here? Why is it not? Oh, it stopped playing and so it got messed up. That sucks. Wow. That sucks. What? Pipewire, man. Year of the cat. Do. Okay, so I need to think of how to make this function. And and what? Just that's it, and nothing. That's totally useless information, but you know. Do we get? I need like a timer tree browser. Man. Get player from timer. I've abstracted this beyond reason, and I can't get back to reality. So timer doesn't actually, it has no reference to the player. So I just need to like, where should this function be? Okay, what does this require? Real-time timer system. Run events. Do I require replication from run events? Probably not, right? That doesn't sound like a good plan. So, Is it in the real time? I don't know. I actually can't find my own code. Self. Okay, so tracker is where this is where the code is. Do I just go and play all my music? I'll try some house today. I'll play the cool people. Wait, where to go? This, except it doesn't. It's working. Oh yeah, it went to the other audio thing. What if I go to music? Now it's like, oh, I'm not gonna work anymore. Open album. Music. Alright, it's so loud. We're gonna make it quieter. Then we're gonna do like, just play this basically. Vocal mix. Alright. That's coming through. Alright. What is that comment? What? Dark mode. I'm a big dark mode user. That's groovy. Okay. So it's calling the hooks individually. I was thinking it'd be good to have a multi-hook or something where it just... I don't get what your point is, what you're trying to say. What am I working on? This is for my game B-Hop and Surf games. I have rewritten the entire game, and I'm like, I guess I'm like still writing it now. And it's going to be the biggest update ever, but you won't notice it because it's just making myself happy with the way the code is. I mean, you'll notice it. You'll be like, well, it's a bit different. And you're like, oh, I hit my head. That's about it, though. Well, I also noticed that like a bunch of issues will be gone. Like, you can't go through walls anymore. How do I do this? There's no player reference. The run... Hold on. Okay, so run is runs by player. It's all indexed by player. What if I literally just don't? What if I index it by like the simulation timer or something? Or like by the run time. Oh my god. So I only use the player for indexing here. That passes on the burden further down. Okay. I guess like I could literally index it by the run timer. Okay, so what happens? What happens when the player isn't in the run data? It just doesn't know what's going on, basically. Yeah. No. It just needs. It needs. So probably the best option would be to use the simulation playback, and the simulation playback contains the player. Well, maybe, because it's always either a player or a bot that is playing back. I've abstracted it way too much. B-Hump has less players than Surf? Yeah, always has. Yeah, Surf regularly has about 200 players online. And B-Hump is around like 60. Set simulation playback. Wow, 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 wow. Text wall of text. Nice wall of text. So basically you're saying that someone misunderstood you and thought that you were claiming that the concept of dark mode was created 4 years ago, rather than it was just added to Roblox 4 years ago. Okay. Music. Hell yeah. Okay. So the tracker doesn't know anything. It'd be easier if I just put a ref into the timers. So simulation timers right here. If I go like ref, and then the simulation timers refs the simulation playback, and then the simulation playback refs the player, I think that would make things easier. Oh, that's like 5 layers deep. Sheesh! That's a lot of abstraction. Who knows how much of that I actually need? Okay, so timer class. Okay. Wait. I literally. Are you telling me this? There's no way. No, no, no. It's everywhere. Oh my god. Oh no, never mind. It's just okay. 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 No, no, no. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Time new timer, bro. Who calls it new timer? It's called timer class. So the timers, eh? If I go to the timer script, scale offset. Yeah, well, that's kind of cringe. We can just do that later. Nobody cares. Get out of here. Scale equals 1. Offset equals 1. Or 0. Timer added. Maybe I need to do it now. I don't know. Okay. So if I add ref, which is actually like... It's kind of cringe. When did I first start creating games? Like 2008? Okay, so this is cringe, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Is it okay? There should only be one each, so it should be fine. Sheesh. That's cringe. Alright, delete. I'm just gonna like put it back because like it was fine. So I can go simulation timer dot. No, I can't. Oh, yes, I can. Dot simulation timers equals self. I'm just like up-reffing everything. Oh, it's just like it's the information is just like not available at the lowest level. Cringe. Okay. So that means that now, after all that, in the run events, I can go like this. Player equals tracker.timeline.timer.simulation timers.simulation playback.player. Oh. Oh. So the tracker knows which timelines it's attached to. That's guaranteed. The timeline can possibly have a timer, but the run event playback always has a timer, which always has a simulation timers, which always has a simulation playback, which always has a player. And then I'll just like let it, bro. Like, is that cringe? Yeah, it's a little bit cringe. Sick music. Oh man, I don't really have enough. Okay, that's not true. It's kind of cringe. Just let it happen. Okay. Oh, la, 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 la. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. No, I don't care. Does the world timer, I don't think it receives any events. Kind of does, actually. Well, that helps. So now, is that it? Does everything just work now? All right, you go up top, okay? Your little devil function. Hello there. I am writing code. This is bad code, he said. This is old code. Flag all runs. I'm just gonna put this in the bad code section. Ah. Yeah, okay. This is bad code. This is old code. You know what? Goodbye. Goodbye, old code. Stop saving old code. Okay. Does that mean that it just works now? Let's try it. Do we get runs in the HUD? I'm thinking yes or error. That's what I'm thinking. Wow. No. No. Okay. Full screen. No. Error? Yay! Okay. Attempt to call a nil value. Run events 153. Do I still have that? Run events 153. Unpack. Name. Okay, so I see. Okay, I can't do that. That's sad. So name, yeah. It's always got the mode. Okay. Yeah. All right, unpack. Do we have this function here? Stop. Let me scroll. Okay. Error. Love errors. Errors are so nice when you're an experienced programmer. Just all I want to see are errors. When you don't get an error, but it doesn't work, you're like, where's the problem? How do I find the problem? That's like the second worst case scenario is when there's no error and it doesn't work. The worst case is when there's no error and it sometimes works. Because like then you can't even find the error because you can only like sometimes find it. It's infuriating. All right. We try to call a function that doesn't exist. That's fine. It's okay. It's all right to do that. So it's actually trying to work, which is a little bit insane that it's trying to work. Like it's actually running this code. I kind of wrote the code a little bit willy-nilly, but it's pretty nice. $58. Attempt to call a nil value. 58. Attempts to call a nil value. That is a nil value right there. My brilliant. Okay. Wee. Should I just pass the simulation playback instead? Like, because it's pretty much a run event for the simulation playback. And, like, you can ref down. You don't need the player. All right, let's do SP, honestly. Wow. Okay, and we'll start at the top. So run events are always created in real time as you play back the simulation. Are you planning to remake chat GUI? New update. Well, I mean, it's all like transparent and cool looking and stuff. The chat is a huge system. I am not planning to remake it. Well, what did you have in mind though? All right, so I can index by the simulation playback. That's no issue. Runs, I can change this to like runs by SP. Dot player? I don't know. I can just like leave it, I guess. Map info, yeah. Ah! What the heck? Where did that come from? Player. Runs by player. That's okay. But then what we can do is go like simulation playback dot timers dot simulation. And actually, I don't even need to write it to a variable. I can just like shuck it just right there. Shunk! Just works. Yeah. All right, next. If I put the simulation playback reference into the run data, stop. What did I just press? Control slash. That's cool. Changing the font and borders. I'm not really the type of person that need like look at what my operating system looks like. Like it's gray and basic, and it works great, and I love it. I'm a programmer, so I make programmer GUIs. They work, but they're not fancy. If someone can come up with a theme that I can like try to replicate, could do that, but I'm not going to be making any themes myself. So I'll consider a simulation playback reference in the run data. Okay, well there you go. So now run events use the simulation playback. Let's take a look. Run data.player. What is it doing? Okay, so there's the anti-tamper system. There's the recording system. The abstraction is so strong. So run data.player, it mostly needs the player here, but the recording would make sense with the abstracted. Yeah, mostly I need the player, looks like. Oh, wow. Yeah, it looks like it's player. Run data.player. P equals run data.player. Right here, I could do it. I could check. I'll just leave it. Yeah, I don't want to like dynamically hook in, hook out of the current. This is I've heard this sample before. It's so. Okay. Okay, so let's see if the run events work. What is happening? Discord just decided to go mad. Actually, I'm gonna open up the original song here. (2001). Okay, let's try. Try. Go. Do it. Ah! Oh, it's me in the game. Okay. Ah, damn, it doesn't work. Errors? Nice. Okay, attempt to call nil value of run events 60. Okay, so it's not needed anymore. Now it's simply just set scale. Set scale is the same as raw set scale. Okay. Okay. You know, we don't need it. We don't need it. I was always using the raw stuff before or like, oh, I actually edited this one, but I didn't edit the other ones. That's funny. I have a feeling I like the original more. All right, let's try without that nil. Attempt to call a nil value. That happens so much in Lua. Look at it! Look at it! Oh, I didn't start the run. Okay, I can't read this. The errors are spamming too fast. All right, time to screenshot. Timer's 97. Attempt to index nil with table. Run events line 41. Index nil with table. I see. It's trying to clean up, but it doesn't exist. So, okay, nil. Yeah, okay. We'll just like print that just to see what happens. There's probably another error going on. All right. Attempt to call a nil value. Oh no. I think I see what's going on here. So it doesn't, so it interrupts the flow. Yeah, I think I see. 19. Okay, well, you're not allowed to see this script, so give me a second. Oh. Yeah, no, that's doesn't exist. All right, check config. Yeah, well, that doesn't really exist, does it? Yeah, so it uses the run data. Shut up. Am I gonna have to dub? All right, next. Black screen? Yeah, I'm editing a script you're not allowed to see. I guess I could do that. Wait, I do player run data? Why am I doing player run data? I just need the run data. Oh. Okay. I think I put the simulation playback on. Well, I mean, it's a little bit cringe. Like, I could always grab it from the player. Oh, it's running on the client. So stupid. All right, for now, I'll just grab the player data. Wait. Oh, that doesn't work on the server. Crap. How is that going to work on the server? Do I have to play back the simulations and then read the simulations, or do I just have no simulation playback? Because this is not a module available on the server. Okay. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. Ooh, okay. Well, there it is. HUD. Whee! That was like dangerously easy to code. But it's not well integrated with my other system. Hi, YouTube viewers. The recording keeps erroring. This is standard. Happens all the time. So basically I have to stop the stream. We'll just see how long it lasts. So yeah, next time it disconnects, that's it. I'm just gonna not reconnect. How long has this stream been going for? An hour and 30 minutes. It's so random. It just happens randomly. Cool. All right, now if I finish the map, it doesn't finish. Could not find module named Playback Manager. Okay, why doesn't the run stop when I hit the end zone? Oh. Attempt to call a nil value, 190. Oh. That's true. True. Let's go to run events. Run finish. Yep. I forgot to do that one. That's it. Okay. Now. God, and it just works, man. It just works. God, I spent so much time making it work on the old code. And now, with the new modular code, it just works. The old code, as in, like, how the way the code was before. Song's got layers. God damn it, I spat on my mouse pad. Disgusting. Alright, this song is rather loud. Okay. Beautiful. Oh. God, it's just modular. Just got modularity. All right, what's it? What's the server errors? Oh, it just doesn't do anything.